Tired of messy prep, wasted food, and long cooking times? These 9 hacks will change the way you cook tonight.
First hack, chill the pan. A cold pan prevents overcooking the bottom before the top sets. Perfect for pancakes or eggs. Secondly, ice cube steam. Adding an ice cube and covering traps steam, giving eggs or sandwiches a fluffier texture. Thirdly, salt at the end. Early salt draws out moisture and makes eggs rubbery, so season after cooking. Fourth hack, butter plus oil combo. Oil stops butter from burning. Butter adds flavor. Fifth hack, slice before toast. Cutting bread before toasting keeps it from getting crushed. Sixth hack, use mayo, not butter. Mayo browns evenly and makes toast crispier. Seventh hack, 2-zone heat. Start cooking on low to avoid burning, then switch to high for color and texture. Eighth hack, preheat your plate. Warm plates keep breakfast from going cold too fast. And lastly, herbs last. Add herbs right before serving to keep colors and flavors bright.
Try one of these tonight. Which one's your favorite? Hit subscribe for more quick tips. I'll see you in the next video.